Бать, воинская часть нахуй. Либо что-то прилетело.
Ukraine decided to show Russians how modern warfare looks like. But first, interesting video from Chornomorsk in Crimea. Local police are building trenches along the beach. This means that the Russians are preparing against Ukrainian attack from the sea. And the occupied Crimea is on fire. In Radysynsk village, Russian military base was burning with hundreds or thousands Russian soldiers inside. Sources say that scores of injured soldiers was admitted to the local hospital. There was also a large explosion in Russian-occupied Melitopol in southern Ukraine where Russian base was hit. Russian Telegram channels also report air defense active over Simferopol in Crimea. Ukrainian General Staff informed that Ukraine hits Russian base in Zaporizhia Oblast, injuring 150 Russian soldiers. That was done when they struck a concentration of Russian troops in the temporarily occupied part of Zaporizhia Oblast. And definitely, Russia is on fire. After the several large fires these days, the Pushkin Museum is burning in Moscow. There was also reports of explosions at Belbek Airport in Sevastopol, Simferopol, Yalta and Jankoy in occupied Crimea. Looks like the war is brought back to Russia. And this is former Russian T-72 tank.
НАТО вооружением. Зачем? Зачем, если вот секундцы бросают свою технику? Вот это лучшее вооружение, блядь. Отжатая техника. Вот. Ихним же оружием будем их гатить. Собак сутулых. С нашей неньки украинки гнать.
As winter approaches and the temperature plummets in Ukraine, the British Army provides Ukrainian recruits with extreme cold weather kits.
They get body armour, helmets, pretty much a normal kit issue for a British soldier as well.
They come to us and we give them all of the stuff they need out in the field, so your liners, your roll mats and everything like that, like everything that we'd get in basic training. So when they get out there, they have the same effect of what we have.
When we first started here, they were all already part of the military, so the morale was fairly high. They already knew what they were doing, so the training course was quite effective for them to just bring their skills higher. We are seeing a bit of a mixed bag now of volunteers as well as those that have already been in the military. Some have previous military experience, some have come straight from the street. We've talked to a few that one day they were an artist or working in a shop and then the next they're here. So it is a combined effort from Ukraine. They're all very willing to be here and they want to help.
They've been really good, yeah, like especially when you get like the interpreters as well, like you could have a laugh with them because you could say something and then they'll say it in Ukrainian and we all have a laugh together. It's like one, it doesn't matter that you can't speak a certain language, we're all together.
The Russians probably think the Ukrainians will be scared by a trashy billboard. Repeat as a lesson, don't fight the Russians. This photo was taken in July. Arrogance and pomposity, a typical Russian trait. A journalist of the German TV channel Welt decided to go live from Moscow, and this is what came out of it.
Entschuldigung, wir haben hier einen Mann, der uns etwas stört.
Fuck you,
Ja.
Germany!
Der berückt sich schon wieder. Also,
American, fuck you!
Ja.
Мы вас будем вот так!
ja,
Wir
dieser Mann hat uns gerade als deutsche Faschisten beschimpft. Ja, aber das müssen wir kurz übersetzen, entschuldige bitte. Der kam jetzt hier vorbei, hat uns als deutsche Faschisten beschimpft und hat auch noch unflätig sich dann gegenüber Amerika geäußert. Wir haben das gerade gehört. Aber ich muss sagen, solche Männer wie diese hier sind die absolute Ausnahme in Russland. Normalerweise können wir...
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.